Today's weather is sponsored by Milner and Orr, funeral home and cremation services. Locations in Paducah, Lone Oak, Barwell, Arlington, and Wickliffe. Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It's October 18, 2016, and this is an update for severe weather for Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. If you were with me earlier this morning, I wasn't overly concerned about the threat for severe thunderstorms on Wednesday, but as more and more guidance comes in, I'm starting to get a little more concerned that we may actually have a few thunderstorms produce damaging winds and hail. The tornado risk is small. Anytime you have severe thunderstorms, the tornado risk isn't zero, keep that in mind, but it doesn't look like a tornado outbreak. Let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center severe weather outlook for Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. We see this light green area, that's where thunderstorms are possible, but not severe. And we see this darker green area, that's a marginal risk for severe weather. A few thunderstorms could produce damaging winds and hail. And then we look back here over southern Missouri into northern Arkansas, this yellow area, that's the greatest zone of risk for a few thunderstorms producing damaging winds and hail. Now, as I mentioned this morning, the Storm Prediction Center will change this around 2 or 3 more times before tomorrow afternoon. There could be adjustments. They may need to shift this slight risk a little bit further north and east based on some of the guidance that I've been looking at. We'll keep an eye on it, but I want you to remember on Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night, a few thunderstorms could produce damaging winds and hail, lightning, of course, and heavy rain. We may see some training occur over southeast Missouri and Illinois, training of precipitation, training thunderstorms. That means thunderstorms repeatedly moving over the same areas. If that happens, you could get 1 inch, maybe 2 inches of rain in some locations. Let's take a look at the WRF model guidance. This is Futurecast radar. I'm just going to push ahead into Wednesday afternoon here. We see Wednesday morning, late morning, early afternoon, a few showers and thunderstorms dotting the landscape, southeast Missouri, Illinois, into Indiana. But what I want you to watch as we move into late afternoon hours, this is around 4 o'clock, some heavier thunderstorms may develop over southern Missouri into southern Illinois. They would be moving northeast, and a couple of them could produce damaging wind gusts and some hail reports. And again, tornado risk isn't zero, but it's not all that great either. So we'll keep an eye on this late afternoon hours. Let's move into the deeper into the evening hours around 7 o'clock on Wednesday evening. Heavy thunderstorms showing up. Now, don't get too caught up on the exact placement of thunderstorms on this model. Just use it as a general guidance that some thunderstorms are likely to develop in this area, Missouri, Illinois, into Indiana, and some of them could be on the heavy side. As we move later into Wednesday night, the entire system starts to shift south and east, and then as we move into Thursday morning, you see the shower and thunderstorm activity starting to push off to the east. Pennyroyal area, western Kentucky will be the last to see the rain exit, probably Thursday afternoon. Could be a few remaining light showers on Thursday evening, but believe most of the heavier rain or moderate rain will be over. We take a look here at 7 o'clock on Thursday evening. You see a few showers over parts of Illinois. We'll see how this goes. I think the front will be well to our east by then, and we may actually end up dry on Thursday evening, but I do have a 20 or 30% chance of showers into the evening hours. Okay, so that's the update. I did increase the wording for a few thunderstorms possibly severe on Wednesday. This is different than my forecast that I had earlier this morning. It does appear like we'll have enough instability to be concerned about a couple of thunderstorms becoming severe.